What is it, Madeline? Said, look me, Mom, I'm learning to cook like a big girl. Uh-oh. And then I'm a klutz, just like Mama. What is it? You better get it before Belle gets it. Here's your strawberry. Are you gonna make some strawberry pie for Daddy? Huh? You're making a mess. You're making a mess. Madeline, what is it? What is that? Look, what's this do? You're gonna cook on the... Wow, cool. How did it do that? How did it do that? Put it on here. Put it on there. That's a good girl. Let's turn it over like this. What is it? What? Oh boy, what is it? What are you doing with it? Let's cook something for Daddy. Cook something. What are you gonna cook? What's that? Some corn? You gonna cook some corn? What are you getting? Ooh, a tomato? Are you gonna cook with tomato and corn for Daddy? Yeah. Cook some tomato and corn. What you got? Show me. Oh, baby. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Yeah. Woohoo. You gonna dance? I'm gonna cook some tomatoes and corn. There's your pot. You gonna put it on the stove? Put it on the stove. Good girl. Let's turn it over. It goes like this. Oh, boy. That's cool, huh? Yeah. Put it back on the stove. No, turn it. You gotta turn it over. Like that. Is that cool or what? You gotta turn it over. Like this. What is it? Put it on the stove. You silly. You gotta turn it over like this. What are you doing with it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What do you got? What is that? It goes like this, silly. Put it back on there. Put it back on there. Oh, hard head. It goes on there like that. What else you got in your sink? What's that? It's a slice of tomato. I know. Is it good? Oh, yuck. Gotta wash it first. Wash the tomato. What else is in there? What's that? Oh, hamburger. Yum, yum, yum. Is that good? Mmm. Can mommy have some? No. Okay. I love you. I love you. Can I have some? Can I have some? Oh, thank you. Here you go. Oh, thank you. I can have some hamburger too. Thank you. Lettuce? You're gonna have some lettuce? Or you're gonna cook it on the stove? What is it? Oh, thank you. They go eat it? What is it? Alright, Ted Bundy, get your hands out of your pants. Get your hands out of your pants. You heard me. You get your hands out of your pants. You're silly. Oh, hamburger. Okay, Daddy, gotta go. We're running out of film. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Do it. Say bye-bye. Say, no, it's something going on outside. I gotta check it out, yo.